Oh waouh, attendez. Oh, Max Verstappen, il a... Attendez, what the fuck? Ah non, c'était il y a 11 ans.
Of the Formula 3 Macau Grand Prix 2014.
Max Verstappen qui avait posté sur sa chaîne une course la diffusion de sa course, d'une course de F3 à Macao.
It's a lottery, it's the gambling capital of the world, and it is an absolute gamble.
Macao. Ça me le propose aujourd'hui.
Lucas Hour alongside him, his teammate incidentally, Tom Blomqvist of Great Britain, Esteban Ocon, the
Il y a Ocon.
European
La
champion, Nick Cassidy.
Attendez,
It is the
faut
grid
revoir.
then for the 2014 race.
Il
Felix Rosenqvist of Sweden lines up in
écoute,
pole.
c'est
Lucas
Lucas
Hour alongside
Auer.
his teammate.
Ocon était P4. What the fuck?
Incidentally, Tom Blomqvist of Great Britain, Esteban Ocon,
Attends, ils sont...
his teammate in the race. Felix Rosenqvist, Great
C'est
Britain.
quoi ces noms de
Esteban
merde?
Ocon, the Formula 3 European champion. Nick Cassidy of New Zealand, a rookie. Robert
Non, Latifi P7, hein.
Merry, back here for the
Le
sixth
GOAT.
time, 23 years of age. Latifi, Jordan King of Great
Ok,
Britain, Felix Sorellis,
Colette, non je connais pas, Ferrucci, non W Ferruccio.
Ferrucci of the United States.
Bah et où les Verstappen?
Rosenqvist started the day. Can he finish it as he needs to go on?
Oui, il y a des Volkswagen derrière.
Good start from Lucas Hour. He's already alongside his teammate and into the lead.
Il est où Ocon? Ocon il est là, je le veux P1, enfin avec le numéro 1. Verstappen il était à l'intérieur.
And it was a super start by Tom Blomqvist as well. He got a really good
Oh, le
traction
mec
off the
derrière.
line, and he's right there with Lucas Hour as well.
Oh ça se décale dans tous les sens. Hein. Oh, oh, oh il a tapé le mur. Oh j'ai cru que la suspension allait se défoncer. Ouh. Oh ça merde. Oh là 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 là, oh là 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 là, le mec en orange là, je l'ai vu, j'ai cru il allait partir. Regardez-moi ça. Ici là, ici t'as l'impression, ah, il y a un bout de carbone ici. Qui vient de la voiture, ah ça vient de la voiture d'Ocon. Ici aussi j'ai eu peur, j'ai cru qu'il allait rentrer, j'ai cru qu'ils allaient se cracher mes siphons. Regardez, là. Et tu vois, Ocon il est à moitié dans les airs. Dinguerie, qu'est-ce qu'il sait? Il prenait le virage là, il prenait pas le virage là, la voiture jaune il passe.
Lucas Hour goes wide, and Tom Blomqvist leads up towards San Francisco. They
Oh,
go. And
oh, oh grave. Oh my god. Oh la gueule du truc. Waouh. Oh waouh. Ah mais c'est Ocon. Oh, 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 ça... Heureusement qu'il apprend de côté. Heureusement qu'il apprend de côté. Le mec, il aurait eu sa tête fauchée.
There was a crash between Ocon and Blomqvist in Lisboa, and that probably broke Ocon's car, and he couldn't turn in San Francisco. Unfortunately, he blocked the whole pack, and now we've got a pretty.
Mais là, il n'y a plus personne qui peut rouler carrément. Bah, pour vous, oui, encore.
Jake Dennis.
The fuck?
He's the man who bounced over the top and into. Look at, he's out the car, and I've never seen anything like that at San Francisco. This is where it all kicked off, coming into here, and it's hard to see from this angle.
Ocon went straight now.
Yeah, well, but he was already tied up, and whoa.
Ouh.
So then, race suspended in the very first
Le
lap.
mec là qui est
Here we
parti.
go, the safety car lights are off, and
Oh,
we
yeah,
are
yeah,
about
yeah,
to go
yeah.
racing. Now, Rosenqvist has got to make sure he doesn't make himself a sitting duck for Hour, and likewise Cassidy will try and tuck under.
Ah, les vieilles F3 quand même avec leur gros truc.
And onto the back
Ah, c'est une
straight.
Bentley.
Off comes the Bentley. It's now in the hands of the Swede, Stefan Johansson, who came here
Ouais,
in 84
Verstappen,
and
vraie
88,
question.
now
Bah, c'est
looking
Verstappen,
after
c'est sur la chaîne
Felix
Verstappen
Rosenqvist
qui a
and
posté
advising
ça.
him.
Mais il est
Formula
où?
One hero from Sweden. Will Felix be the next
Sweden,
one? Here
Sweden.
we go. We're about to find out. Off he
Ok,
goes.
je connais pas le circuit de Macao, hein. Vraiment, c'est. Vous le savez même pas où c'est. Parce que c'est en Asie, mais... Il y a juste les numéros, ils ne mettent même pas les noms. Pour l'instant, ça s'arrête bien en ligne. Ouh, attention. Ouh, ça s'est décalé fort d'un coup direct. J'ai cru qu'il avait failli talper. Oh. Voilà, deux que ça. Oh. Oh, le blocage de roue. Oh. Oh, le mec là. Attendez, le mec là. Regardez. Juste ici là. Regardez ceux-là là. Ça a tapé là. Le mec il va partir en travers. Voilà, regardez le mec en travers. Ouais, dinguerie. Ok, à San Francisco là ça a l'air de... C'est bon, tout le monde est bien. Des PTSD ce virage. À Macao, putain. Carrément.
And the thing with Rosenquist is that the more you
Macao.
pull a gap and
Oh.
the more actually the more
Alors, le Macao, les voitures de F1 Academy, c'est des F4. Hein, ils ont jamais roulé à Macao. Mais je vois ton point. Par contre, Latifi, le GOAT, Lati GOAT qui est P5.
will not be able, to take the toll in the first sector.
Yeah.
Because at the moment he can still take the toll and can still
Mm.
be probably 2
Oui, bah, il
seconds,
t'inquiète.
fast in the first sector. That will not be the case if Rosenquist continues to push like he's doing.
Ouh, le blocage de roue.
Oh, that's a big lock-up and Cassidy almost loses it completely there.
C'est quelle catégorie? C'est de la F3. C'est de la F3. C'est une course de 2014. Ah oui. Ouais, je sais pas, ça m'a recommandé sur YouTube, c'est sur la chaîne de Max Verstappen, j'ai fait bah d'accord. Ouah, mais les murs ils sont si proches, mais c'est un suicide, mais faut être parfait sinon tu meurs direct. Un petit coup de sous-virage, là tu finis dans le mur instantanément. Avec leur truc, on dirait un putain de jet. Ça change d'aileron. Ah oui. Est-ce que je comprends pourquoi? Je comprends, ça c'est facile à comprendre pourquoi. Il manque un petit truc là. Oh, c'est Yoss. Yoss the boss. Ouah, mais c'est quoi cette chicane du démon? La chicane du démon, oui, regardez-moi ça. Peut-être plus simple de faire. La chicane, l'épingle du démon. Regardez-moi ça, il y a un bout de... Monaco en pire, mais oui. T'as un bout de rail, tu sais, tu le prends, la voiture, elle se casse en deux direct. La voiture, ça devient un Oreo. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il fait là-bas, lui, Verstappen? On dirait vraiment la descente de Monaco, c'est drôle. Bah, la descente de Monaco, mais en sens inverse et en pire. If you're a Mac, I would get you just thinking about it, yeah. No, it's, yeah. And Latifi P5 also. They were Latifi, Ocon DNF because someone broke his car. But Latifi is P5. Gotifi P5, exactement. Oh, Giovinazzi!
So Verstappen's car
Giovinazzi, P17.
his lap times are 2:12.977 on that last lap.
Wow. That is an incredible lap. And are we going to see
J'avais oublié
a
qu'il était vivant lui,
fantastic run
même s'il a gagné le
Max
24 du Mans.
Verstappen, like you say, he's flying out there, and we're concentrating on the front, but we'll keep an eye on his lap times, and he'll come into focus. David Kennedy in the middle of that huddle of the
Verstappen was 2 seconds
Theodore.
faster than the guys in front of him, so I'm curious when he'll be able to pass him.
yeah. So Verstappen's next victim, if it will, is Palmer, then Calderon and Menezes, and like you say, he's 2 seconds quicker, faster. Cassidy's still pushing on, and he's maintaining the gap between himself and Auer. Good job so far.
C'est vraiment terrifiant ce grand, c'est vraiment terrifiant ce circuit. Hein. Mais c'est pire que Monaco, mais t'as tellement pas de place en fait. T'as de la place au secteur 1 quoi, c'est tout. Mais genre là, c'est un trottoir le truc. Le truc tu marches dessus, t'as une F3 qui spawn d'un coup.
And I think that Cassidy is actually closing the gap now.
T'imagines tu te coupes ici là.
He's just done his personal best sector in sector 2, and I think he's closing the gap.
Une F1 moderne rentre pas. Bah non mais vraiment. C'est terrifiant.
Last night that Nick could do the business. And well, it would be the story, that's for sure.
C'est Verstappen ça.
Pushing hard, you can see Lucas Auer
Ah non c'est Auer.
really pushing on. Rosenquist now does a 2:12.0. Cassidy a 2:12.2.
Just made a mistake in the last sector, unfortunately.
Yeah. Merry's still there, and he's on the pace, is Roberto Merry, on the number 28 in 4th position. He just did a 2:12.0. Yamashita coming through. Menezes through. Palmer.
Ils finissent quasiment tous en I de leur nom de famille.
Verstappen still in 12th position. He's got past Takaboshi and Buller and Wells, and Giovinazzi now coming through, up to 16th now.
It's the first lap. Verstappen hasn't made up places on that lap. Down there in 12th place.
Verstappen il est loin, c'est fou.
It is early days.
Mon père il va lui foutre une fourchette dans la gorge.
Fastest lap of the race, a 2:12.011 on that last lap for Felix Rosenqvist, and he's not under any significant pressure at the moment. Just needs to keep everything neat and tidy.
Ok, oh la caméra. Mais là, vu le nombre de tours qui reste, jamais il finit bien là. Vraiment qu'il y a un red flag quoi, mais c'est tout quoi. C'est terrifiant. Moi je roule pas là, hein, même en karting. La tête du circuit. Regarde-moi ça. Je pense y a rien, là y a pas de place, y a rien. Là tu prends un Range Rover, il fait la taille du circuit.
Right now, and Cassidy's going to have to hold on for dear life. And funnily enough, these two have raced each other many a time before. They know each other's game. Cassidy knows what Auer can do.
Bon là, faut pas trop décroiser, sinon tu te prends la barrière.
Both Police and Moorish, and it looked as he had no grip at all.
This is for sure not perfect for the confidence of the driver. And for sure you lose some when you
Il est plus fort le mec, mais moi j'ai l'impression que je pourrais faire un meilleur commentaire. Les ailerons arrière ils sont minuscules, mais tu prends rien en downforce avec ça.
As he tucks himself into the first corner, the left-hander, they're flat out through here, up to 5th gear now, and all the way to Mandarin, over 140 miles an hour, down this main straight. Auer doesn't look as though he's quite close enough yet, and they go through Mandarin.
quick again.
He's quick through there though.
Ouf. Le slipstream là, je pense là.
He's
Ouh, oh, waouh, ok. Oh là là, c'était couillu là, j'aurais pas osé. Oh waouh. Oh, la fente de fou frère. Il y a un monde, il se mettait dans le mur avec ça. Parce que là, il peut plus faire de move après. Et là, toute la suite du circuit, tu peux pas passer là, t'as aucun, y a aucun endroit là. Et on dirait même plus les murs de Monaco, on dirait qu'on est en Italie dans une petite ville et on est en train d'être dans les... Ouais, dans les... à côté, entre les bâtiments là, les toutes petites routes là. C'est la même chose. C'est même pas des routes, c'est des chemins. Ça les rattrape derrière, hein, par contre. Mais pourquoi? Mais Verstappen, mais il reste 7 tours. 7 tours, il va pas faire grand chose dans Verstappen. Je veux pas te faire un... Pas une surprise. Il est P11, hein, au cas où. Alors là, Auer, elle aura pas assez de vitesse là. Elle est encore plus loin que le tour d'avant. Donc il push encore là.
No, surprisingly. So either Nick's pushing on and using everything. He's using every sinew for now, for sure. And
Rosenqvist again.
2:11.9.
Goodness me. What it is to be at the front and not under a huge amount of pressure. You can pick your lines, you can get the fastest laps, and it's lap after lap for Felix Rosenqvist at 2:11.986 for the race leader.
Well, he can't relax, can he, Edo? But 3.8 is pretty impressive.
Ouais, Rosenqvist là, je sais pas quoi, il a... Là, Auer il met la pression de fou, hein, mais il va se louper. Ouh, un tout petit peu de sous-virage là. Tu vas dire non, faut pas se mettre ça passe à foutre dans le mur. Hein, j'ai perdu du temps là sur le pied devant, sur Cassidy.
One tiny mistake and all of that advantage is for nothing. And at the moment, Nick Cassidy 3.8 seconds the advantage that Felix Rosenqvist has. And we have
j'adore le bruit par contre des voitures. Les F3 font un bruit magnifique.
In the 2014 FIA Formula 3 Intercontinental Cup here at Macau.
Mary's catching in fourth position.
C'est genre un... C'est genre... C'est un V6 turbo mais pas hybride pour le coup.
Well, last lap Rosenqvist had a 3.5 second lead as they cross the line now with a 2:12.2. Cassidy, it's 3.7, so he's up the pace too. So gap stays the same.
Third sector, unfortunately.
It's an interesting race of two and
Là, c'est toujours ça, un quatrième. Il est à donf.
He can't bring the gap down. He's still holding off Lucas Al for now. In fourth place, Roberto Meri, the Spaniard who came back to Formula 3 to give it one more go on his sixth attempt.
Last two laps, Verstappen has made up one single place per lap. That last lap he wasn't able to. Yamashita is
Verstappen est 9.
in his sights. He's up into 9th place is Max Verstappen.
Non mais il est à 20 secondes du leader, il va pas faire grand chose. Falou. Alex Falou qui est là. Oh. Ah bah c'est Verstappen ça. Ouais c'est ça. Max Verstappen. Il a déployé ses ailes. Ils disent.
I would love to watch the onboard of the whole race.
Well, he's a cool, calm character. I mean, this may be his debut, and that's what makes it even more impressive, is that we know he's a Formula One star, but you know, any of these guys could race in Formula One. We sometimes get, you know, a little bit tarnished by the skills that some guys are so much better than the others. Really, all of these guys could race a Formula One car, right?
I mean, Formula 3 is a fantastic school, and it prepares really these young drivers to upper categories, and Formula 1 is one of them. Definitely, Max has proven that he's got the talent to be fast in a Formula 3 car.
Ah là là, et dire que quelques années plus tard, il serait 4 fois champion du monde et peut-être 5e après ce week-end. Drapeau jaune. Drapeau jaune. Il y a le drapeau jaune qui avait été sorti, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Il y avait un drapeau jaune, c'est à rien.
By the top four, Rosenqvist has been through. That last lap was a 2:12.545. The gap 3.3.
Now this is where it starts to get interesting. Rosenqvist starting to pick up some back markers in front of him as he heads towards the mountain section. And if Cassidy's going to have a chance,
Cassidy gagne du temps sur Rosenqvist.
If he doesn't catch up soon, he's not going to be able to have a pop. And Rosenqvist dives into Lisboa. Nicely done. And again, that Cassidy, you can see the gap for yourselves. Lucas Auer going to make one more last chance. And he just did his fastest lap, did the Austrian. Oh, that was a moment. 2:12.026 by Auer.
Je crois Auer il s'est fait paumer là.
Latifi up to 5th. Colletti is in 6th position at the moment. Ferrucci 7th and Verstappen still 8th and on the move.
Last lap for Felix Rosenqvist was a 2:12.
Ouh, attention, petit blocage des roues arrière là, j'ai vu. L'arrière qui a commencé un petit peu à décrocher.
on that last lap, 4/10 quicker on the last lap. Nick Cassidy in second place, 11 laps completed, 15 laps the race for the Macau Grand Prix of 2014, and you're looking at the race leader.
Now, he has got a man in front of him.
Il est suédois, ouais. Putain. Et dire que maintenant personne ne le connaît, c'est terrible.
Still some distance to him, but it's just at the right time because it's when we've got some open field and gives him plenty of places to overtake. You wouldn't want to catch him in the back part. And at the back of the pits there's Nick Cassidy's father, pensively watching on.
To be honest with you, if you're Rosenqvist and you have the toe of the guy of the back mark, it's the perfect situation.
Oh, rien.
When you're
Ça,
leading
c'est le
like
commentateur.
this, yeah, it's a perfect situation.
A nice situation to be in. So we worry about back markers, and racing drivers enjoy the moment.
Well, as long as he can pass him before they get down to Lisboa, he's okay. But he needs to do that first and foremost because he doesn't want to get stuck behind him. Russell Leacock on camera there gives us a wave with his eyebrows.
Blue
The
flag.
blue flags wave as they head
Blue flag, blue flag, blue flag.
And again, and certainly.
And Auer is in the toe of Cassidy now, right now.
Our right with him.
This is going to be a battle.
This is going to be a battle to the end.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's all over the back of Cassidy.
Ooh.
Cassidy can do nothing about it. Here comes Lucas. They're side by side as they come down.
Ouh, attention.
Lisboa. Cassidy will try to respond. He goes to the outside.
Ouh, Auer, les dépassements. Oh, le décroise.
And through goes Nick Cassidy. Great racing. Go on. Between the pair of them.
Oh, le switchback de baiser. Oh, il s'est fait niquer. Oh là 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 là. Oh, je le voyais pas, je l'aurais pas vu là.
Cassidy can do nothing about it. Here comes
What the
Lucas.
fuck?
They're side by side as they come down towards Lisboa. Cassidy will try to respond. He goes to the outside.
Oh mais
He can't
le,
stop
oh le
Auer.
switchback. Oh mais Auer il s'est complètement loupé là. Ah ouais.
And through goes Nick Cassidy. Great racing. Go on. Between the pair of them.
Oh.
And Cassidy takes
Oh
second
Cassidy,
again.
la défense elle est incroyable.
And Lucas Auer thought he had it.
Bah ouais, j'ai cru qu'il l'avait moi aussi pour le coup. Mais il a complètement loupé la suite de son virage. Il a laissé le il avait complètement laissé l'intérieur. Et Verstappen vient de passer 7ème.
Verstappen making up another place as well. He continues his run. He's up into 7th place now, and Auer is ahead.
He's got it. And
Oh,
amazingly,
il a dépassé
in a
Cassidy.
place you wouldn't expect. But there you go. He's done it. Now can he build on it?
Il nous a pas montré le dépassement.
Pushing on now in the
Il nous a
closing
montré
stages of
Verstappen
this
dépasser,
with three to
mais
go.
je voulais voir Auer dépasser Cassidy moi. Oh putain, il glisse.
And Mary is still there.
Yes, Murray is very much there.
Could actually clinch his first podium finish here
Mais
in Macau.
on nous a enlevé le spectacle. Moi je voulais faire le dépassement d'Auer.
On goes Auer, and it will be interesting to
Oh
see
le mécano qui fait un pouce aux caméras. J'ai eu peur, j'ai cru que c'était une voiture qui avait bloqué.
The third place car of Nick Cassidy, because Cassidy is very busy dealing with Mary just behind.
Yes, well, he won't be Mary quite Quintieri. He wants that podium for sure because he's never had one. And as Edo quite rightly points out, he sniffs it here, a possibility. And he's stuck up right behind Cassidy now. Lucas Auer pushing on as he comes through our bend. It's been a great display. Thought he'd blown it for a minute at Lisboa, but he recovered brilliantly, did Lucas. We've come to expect that from him. The cool, calm head of Lucas Howard. Not so in his younger days, but now far more mature.
Mary made a mistake and he lost 1 second in the third sector. So that's going to give Cassidy some...
Breathing space just.
Yeah.
Oh, l'écart entre Latifi et Coletti, il est de 11 secondes, c'est terrifiant.
Fastest lap.
Verstappen gets the
Oh.
fastest lap of the race
Ouh,
at
ouh.
11.7, and here we go. And he's done
Oh,
it.
Moletti sur Calais, sur
Through goes
Cassidy.
Mary, and that was textbook stuff.
Putain, la défense était belle par contre.
Mary chasing up
Oups, pardon.
on it.
Oh, les passants étaient beaux.
Fastest lap.
Côte à
Verstappen
côte.
gets the fastest lap of the race at
Hop,
11.7, and
le
here we
freinage
go.
tardif. Il se met devant. Cassidy, on voit qu'il va essayer d'aller pour le switchback. Mary qui va pas trop large pour éviter ça.
And he's done it.
Et hop.
Through goes Mary, and that was textbook stuff.
Il se prend pas la même erreur que Auer.
Mary chasing a podium. Wouldn't that be a story? He'll be delighted. I'm just glad he's not going to win the race. I told him I'd jump off the tower if he did.
Franchement, la défense parfaite. Rien à redire.
No, I'll show you the text.
Rosenqvist continues to lead. Fastest lap of the race with Max Verstappen now up into 7th place. 2:11, 7:48. What else can he do about
Van
moving himself up? Can he get Stefano
Porte,
Coletti?
ouais, ok.
Well, the gap is huge.
Il était chez
It's,
Var,
1.1
ok.
seconds he's down on Coletti, but he's had a great race so far. Verstappen putting in a 2:11.748 compared to Coletti, a 2:14.234 on the last lap. That's
Ouh, ça glisse un petit peu là pour
Could do
Cassidy.
that, get into the top 6
Cassidy,
by
il
the
fait
run.
chut.
Mary
il glisse un
onto the
petit peu.
podium as it stands at the moment. They're on the penultimate lap, lap number 14 out of 15. Felix Rosenqvist continues to lead. His advantage over Lucas Howard at the end of the last lap, 5.4 seconds. A thrilling race for the FIA Formula 3 Intercontinental Cup here at Macau, and that is your
Un
race leader.
Suédois là, il
Another
les
back
défonce.
marker
Hein.
in front of him, but the blue flags wave. The marshals, as ever, doing a brilliant job here at Macau. Well, we had to wait for this race for quite some time after a massive crash, which thankfully for Felix Rosenqvist he wasn't involved, but it did involve the likes of Blomqvist and Ocon, who were favourites here. But Rosenqvist
Ouais, Ocon,
starts
j'avais
his
trop le seum,
last
mais
lap,
il était 5ème en plus.
and at the moment, a good situation to be in. The back marker not in the way. Felix Sorellis, I think it is, who's in front of him. Won't give him any chip. Bags of experience. Out in second
Verstappen, il
place.
est vraiment loin de Coletti. Ouais, mais Coletti, il perd de plus en plus de temps. Il est à 13 secondes là, de Latifi.
Into Lisboa for the last time. Felix Rosenqvist being
Mais
looked
Latifi,
after.
il est proche un peu de...
Formula One star
Il a 5 dixièmes de Mary.
Verstappen trying to push Coletti now. He's 7th now. Max Verstappen, he certainly has redeemed himself and shown his class. And I think the stories of Macau have played out as we'd expected. The blue flags wave as the leader, Felix Rosenqvist of Sweden, plows on. Hit the wall earlier in the weekend, and usually that is an indication that it's not going to be a good day at Macau when that happens, and a good weekend to follow. But Rosenqvist kept his head and has done a superb job under very
Non,
trying
franchement,
situations.
il nous a fait une course de fou.
A massive crash to deal with, a massive resumption to
Il
think
était
about.
premier
A long
pendant toute la
time in the
course.
car, waiting, getting that adrenaline going, and Edo, you know it's not an easy thing to do to keep that concentration.
I tell you, in the last lap, when you know that, I mean, after doing the Lisboa corner, that you have nobody in your mirror, you're
5 secondes, ah ouais, mais ça a défoncé. Hein.
you're the happiest driver around
Ouh,
the air.
glissade.
You just need to finish the race, and I'm sure he will be delighted after crossing the finish line.
Just a few more corners to go for Felix Rosenqvist of Sweden. This is a moment to remember. He was second in 2012. Last year he could have won, but his race was taken away in just 600 meters. But now he's just 600 meters from taking victory, a famous victory, as Felix Rosenqvist of Sweden wins and Macau
Putain,
in
bah bravo.
2014 in splendid style. Crossing the line in second place is his teammate. It's a brilliant 1-2 for Mocha. And amazingly, Nick Cassidy of New Zealand comes across
Cassidy
the line.
va repasser
Third place ahead
troisième.
of Roberto
Oh.
Mary. He's done it. The debut man from Auckland, New Zealand has come and made history. Mary takes fourth place, Latifi fifth, Coletti is in sixth place. Verstappen, amazingly Max Verstappen, started at the back and still finishes in the top 10. He's seventh overall. A fantastic display of pure adrenaline and great racing around the biggest challenge of all, which is the Macau Grand Prix. There's your result.
Putain.
Rosenqvist, Auer and Cassidy. Brilliant race. Mary, Latifi, Coletti, Verstappen and Ferrucci. That's your top 8. Great job done by Verstappen, to be fair, to recover that way. It just shows you why he's in Formula
Franchement.
1. He kept his head brilliantly.
Bien vu.
Well, they always say, try, and you'll succeed, and that's exactly what's happened in the case of Felix Rosenqvist. He's finally done it. It's taken some time, but you really kept ahead under massive pressure, because after that first restart, I thought to myself, this
Bien,
isn't going
bah,
to be
bien
easy.
joué. Hein.
Well, it's never easy here, I guess. You know, you have to be ready for really every situation. You know, every time I go down that straight, it never works out as I planned. And you just have to improvise, you know, see what you can do. And I think today I made all the right decisions. I was quite calm. I tried to stay away from any stupid crashing or something like that. I knew my braking points. I knew my limit. I think maybe that's what the experience is.
Et lui, il est âgé un peu. Il a genre, il doit facilement dans la vingtaine.
End up in the wall. Eventually, the last 3 years I come here, I was on the front row. And I think, you know, I always had the speed to win, and then the speed has just been better every year. And this year, I mean, I didn't really need the speed in the end because I had a big gap. But I think what was different this year was that everything just worked out in my way, and that's what you need sometimes.
Well, for Lucas Auer, it wasn't the result he wanted, but I know that getting on the podium is some huge satisfaction, because it was a great race and it could have gone either way.
Yeah,
Yes,
it was a
indeed, ouais.
great race. I had even the chance, yeah, but I braked myself out.
Ah non, c'est
And
Auer.
then we had no safety car anymore, so that was my only chance, and now I have to be happy with second place.
It's a shame about the big crash, because you had an amazing start at the start of the race.
Yeah, it was, because my start was good, and both starts I had a try to go to the lead, but I braked myself out. I even destroyed something on the brakes, yeah, but I don't want to complain. Big thanks to Mercedes, big thanks to Mücke and to my family.
The beauty of Macau is that there's always a fairy tale story, and today it's New Zealand, Nick Cassidy.
il est vraiment-
Congratulations, a
il est-
fantastic race, and I can't think you got
Son
up this morning
sourire.
and thought, tell you what, I'll just make the podium, shall I?
Mate, we were gunning for it. I knew we had a good chance. We were strong all weekend. I don't think qualifying 2 sort of went the way we wanted it to, and it was a recovery process from then, but the qualifying race was good. Strong at the end, and then we had 4 new tyres for today, which worked well. Obviously, a little bit disappointed I let second go. Made a mistake with 4 laps to go and hit the wall, so I think it was a bit of luck on my side and being able to finish third, so I'm very happy.
Today, it's all about the Swede, Felix Rosenqvist. Congratulations to him. He moves into the history books. And we look forward to 2015 and another great motorsporting year.
Putain. Bah, franchement, masterclass. En vrai, c'est drôle, la F3.